Hey, welcome back to the shop, friends. I've got the headstock to the treadle lathe completely done now. So today I'm going to show you how we did it. We've got a new channel logo and also some new channel art and also a new introduction, and I hope you like it. I want to say thanks to Kent with Man About Tools. I'll put a link to his channel above. He did the artwork for me and it turned out really nice. So Kent, thank you for that. Guys, please go check out his channel. He spends a lot of time on his videos. His videos are high quality and I definitely recommend his channel for you. So let's take a little tour of the headstock that we've assembled. We have the main headstock block, which is made out of laminated oak, and it measures roughly 6 inches in width. The turn pulley is connected to the 3/8 of an inch rod, and it's held in the headstock with a pulley on each side and then a stop collar on each side. I designed this tensioner using some scrap oak I had, and basically I put a screw fitting inside the headstock with just these little turn knobs. Yeah, I know these turn knobs are terrible. I'm going to make some new ones when I get the lathe running, but this was temporary. On the back side we have the tensioner, and as you can see, by just turning the turn knobs, the tensioner can be moved back and forth in order to tension the belt. I wouldn't want to leave the belt tensioned all the time or it's going to stretch it out. So when I'm ready to use it, I'll just pull the tensioner out and then turn the turn knobs, and that should hold it in place while we're using the lathe. I'm having a little bit of trouble here with the tensioner not turning properly. I'm going to have to work on that a little bit. I think it just needs to be worn in some. I'll probably have to take and grind out a little bit of the wood inside the bearings there. I think I've got a little bit of rubbing. The belt I use comes from a Treadle sewing machine, and I purchased that on eBay. And I've got quite a bit left over in the case that it breaks or I need to replace it. This handle here to the tensioner is also temporary. I think once I get the lathe up and running, I'll turn a new handle, something nice to put there. The headstock is extremely tight into the frame now with those drawboard pegs. I was a little concerned that the groove that we put on the flywheel wasn't going to be deep enough to keep the belt on the wheel, but so far it's worked just fine. I just used some simple wax thread used for leather working to tie the belt together. Well, the headstock is about 99% done. I'm going to have to work on the tensioner a little bit to get that loosened up so we don't wear out the belt. I'm going to have to turn some knobs to replace the plastic ones. I'm going to turn a handle for the front. But all in all, it's pretty much done. We should have 2 videos left, one for the tailstock and one for the tool holder, and the lathe will be completely done. I really appreciate you watching these videos. I know this project's gone kind of long. It's getting a little long for me as well, but I think it's going to be a quality tool, a homemade tool whenever it's done. So thanks again for watching. Please give a thumbs up. That really helps get the video shown to other people. And if you will, please leave a comment as well. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.